G'day everyone, Ace here from Ace's Space Astrophotography. In today's video I'd like to show you how I set up the rest of the iOptron GEM45 mount. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see on the mount, here is one of the USB ports, and here's the I port. And the I port is where the GPS module goes. So you just take one of these RJ11 cables, and one end plugs into the I port, and the other end plugs into the GPS module. There we go. And we just put the GPS module onto the accessory tray. Now, once the mount acquires the GPS signal, you can disconnect the GPS module. Not a problem at all. Alright, so now on the other side of the mount, we have the on-off switch, we have the power connector, and we have the HPX connector, which is for the hand controller. So you just take another RJ11 cable and the hand controller, and the hand controller plugs right into the HPX connector, and then you can just hang the hand controller wherever you need to hang it. Now on the front of the mount, we have the cover for the iPolar camera. Show you what the camera looks like. And there's the iPolar camera. I'm going to cover it back up. Alright, let's cover it back up. Then on the right hand side of the mount, we have the deck gear switch, and on the other side we have the right ascension gear switch. Alright, now on the back of the mount you have the iPolar port and another USB port. So the USB port, you can connect the mount to a laptop to control it, and you connect a USB cable from the iPolar port to the USB port on your laptop, and the iPolar is used to polar align your mount. Alright, now I want to show you how I put the rest of the scope together. So, the mount together. I've got to put the counterweight on and the telescope on. So basically, counterweight shaft goes on first, obviously. Then the counterweight will go on. So I just have to remove the safety screw there. Oh, before I do that, got to remember, got to release the right ascension gear switch so that it goes free. They tell you to do that. Put the counterweight on. And I'll release the deck. So I got the scope connected. Now we'll put the camera on. So I can get it balanced properly. So now we'll attach the camera. Alright, looks pretty good. So, to set the home position on the hand controller, you put it counterweight pointing down, obviously, and telescope pointing north to Polaris. That's your home position. So then you take the, once the mount's on, you take the hand controller, you go into menu, and then you go home position, and then you click set home position. And that'll give you, that's your, like your starting position for your mount. So then if you're observing and you've moved the scope to wherever you've moved it to and you want to go back to the home position, all you need to do is just go into menu and then set and then hit home position, and it'll slew back to the home position. And that's basically how to set up the mount. It's pretty easy once you've read it, once you've read the manual enough times. And I was outside once with it doing the polar alignment, and I'll show you that next, how to connect the software. Good day everyone, Ace here, and I'll show you how to use the iPolar software to do the polar alignment. So I'm already connected to my mini PC with TeamViewer, so now I'll just go into the folder where the iPolar software is. Find the iPolar executable. There we go. Right, just go into settings and read latitude. It'll load up your mount driver. There you go. Got the latitude and longitude from the mount. And now I think go to connect. It opens up the iPolar camera. Okay, so now I got to take a dark frame, and this is the very first time set up, so you have to configure the camera. You got to calibrate it to your mount. So take the dark frame, okay, make sure it's covered. Take the dark frame and now uncover it so you can see the stars, obviously. And I'll start doing the plate solving. Okay, so the cover's off. Now you see the stars. I'm not getting very many stars. Gonna have to probably play with the exposure time, I think. Probably put it up to like 500 milliseconds, I think. Got a lag between TeamViewer here. There we go. Alright, so at 500, should get more stars. There we go. Alright, so now we got to confirm position 1. So position 1 is confirmed. Okay, there, and that's what position 1 looks like. Now I got to go to confirm position 2. Got to rotate the mount back to the home position. Okay, and that's what back to the home position, looks like. Alright, so now the camera is calibrated to the mount. So this is, you only have to do that once. After that, you just have to take a dark frame. Alright, where's the stars again? Okay. Alright, so now all you have to do is play with the azimuth and altitude adjustments to get the cross onto the red dot. So the cross is your mount, and the red dot is supposed to be Polaris. So you just have to adjust the azimuth knobs and the altitude knobs there to get the cross onto the red dot. It's a little windy out. Oh, there we go. Had it. Nope. There we go. Nope. There we go. It's a little windy. Just a little bit more adjustment here. There we go. Nope. Alright. There, that looks good. And we got it. So then all you do now is you just all you have to do is just lock down the screws for the azimuth. You just adjust the tighten the azimuth screws. And that's basically all for iPolar. Thanks a lot.